Hi, welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is all pair shortest path, that is Floyd Warshall Algorithm. So by using dynamic programming approach. In previous classes we are discussed about single source shortest path algorithm, that is Disgust-Ross and Bellman-Ford. So in single source shortest path algorithm, so for example you can consider this. So for example, one is the initial vertex, source vertex. You have to find out the distance from 1 to n minus number of vertices, like 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. But in this case, all pair shortest path, you have to find via 2 also, we have to find via 3 and we have to find via 4. So here 2 to 1 and 2 to 3 and 2 to 4 and vertex 3, we have to find 3 to 1, 3 to 2 and 3 to 4. Like that we have to find 4 to 1, 4 to 2, 4 to 3. So in single source shortest path, what is the time complexity is? The time complexity of the single source shortest path, that is big of n square, but you can see here you have to find out the, for example, distance between one vertex 1 to all other vertices, that is n minus 1 number of vertices. So here it is, and also you have to find out 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. So that is big of n. Here it takes the big of n. So here it is big of n square into n, that is equal to big of n cube. The time complexity of all pair shortest path is big of n cube. So here the space complexity is space complexity of the all pair shortest path, that is big of n square. So this is the space complexity. This is the time complexity of the all pair shortest path problem, that is Floyd Warshall algorithm. Now we have to discuss, we have to find out. Now we can see, first you can note down the initial matrix for this graph. So we have the 4 vertices. That's why you can take the 4 by 4 matrices. We have that 4 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have the 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 columns. Now we can see there is no 1, 1, it is 0. There is no 2, 2, it is 0. There is no 3, 3, it is 0. There is no 4, 4, it is 0. The distance between 1 to 1 is 0, 2 to 2 is 0, 3 to 3 is 0, 4 to 4 is 0. So we have to find out 1 to 2. So what is the 1 to 2? So there is no direct edge 1 to 2. That's why you can put the infinity. 1 to 3. So edge cost is minus 2. You can note down here. 1 to 4, there is no direct edge, that is infinity. And 2 to 1, the cost is 4 here, edge cost is 4. And 2 to 3, that is 3. The cost of the 2 to 3 edge is 3. Now 2 to 4, there is no direct edge, so it is infinity. And 3 to 1, there is no edge directly, that is 3 to 1 is infinity. And 3 to 2, there is no direct edge from 3 to 2, so that is infinity. And 3 to 4, the cost is 2 here, the cost is 2. And 4 to 1, there is no direct edge, that is infinity. And 4 to 2, that is minus 1, the cost. And 4 to 3, there is no direct edge, that is infinity. So this is the initial matrix for this graph. You can check one more time: 0, infinity, minus 2, infinity, 4, 0, 3, infinity, 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 0, 2, infinity, minus 1, infinity, 0. So this is the D naught. So what is the formula here? dkij equal to minimum of d of k minus 1 ij, dk minus 1 ik, dk minus 1 kj. Now we have to find out via vertex 1. We have to find out the distance via vertex 1. So I am consider d1. So first you can note down the second matrix, that is d1. equals to, you can note down here, it is 1 2 3 4, 4 rows is there and 4 columns, 1 2 3 and 4. First you can take the first column and first row. Here it is first row, you can consider first row and first column, note down as it is. So here you can note down the first row 0, infinity, -2, -2 and infinity here. Here it is 2 to 1 is 4. Here it is infinity. Here it is infinity. Now 2 to 2 is 0. You know already 3 3 3 is 0. The distance between that vertex to vertex. Here the 4 to 4 is 0. Now we have to find out 2 to 3. So 2 to 3. D1 2 to 3. So the minimum of dk minus 1, the k value is 1 here, the k value is 1. That means you can find out the distance from vertex 1 to all other vertices. So via vertex 1. So 2 to 3, so k value is 1. So here it is k minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 d naught. Ij, what is the ij? We have to find out 2 3 d naught 2 3 here, comma, and d naught I comma k. So I value is 2, k value is 1 plus d naught kj. So k value is 1, j value is 3. So you can see d naught 2 3. So second row and third column. What is the value here? Second row, third column value is 3. Now can note down it is the 3 comma d naught 2 1. D naught, this is the d naught matrix 2 1, that is 4 here, 4 plus d naught 1 3. So 1 3 it is -2. So which is the minimum? Here it is 3, here it is 2. So 2 is the minimum. So note down 2 3 is 2 here. Like that we have to find out 2 to 4. 2 to 4. So minimum of d naught 2 4 value. So directly I can write d naught 2 4 value is infinity, comma, and 2 d naught 2 1 that is 4 plus d naught kj, that is 1 4 is infinity. So here it is, here infinity, here also 4 plus infinity. So infinity 2 4 value is infinity. So can note down 2 4 value is infinity now. Now have to find out 3 to 2. So d1 3 to 2, 3 to 2. Here it is minimum of, I can write the directly here, minimum of d naught 3 2. D naught 3 2 value is infinity, comma 3 1, d naught 3 1. So that is 3 1 is infinity plus, and 1 2 d naught 1 2 is also infinity. So that is equal to infinity. So 3 2 is infinity and 3 3 is 0. You have to find out d1 3 4 that is equal to minimum of 3 comma 1. So what is the 3 comma 1 value? Third row, first column, here it is infinity. Okay, next here it is 3 comma 4, sorry, here it is 3 comma 4, that value is 2, here the value is 2, and d naught 3 1 value is infinity. Infinity plus something is infinity, so need not to calculate this part, but you can see here it is 1 comma 4, d naught 1 comma 4, that is also infinity. So which is the minimum? 2 is the minimum. So D134 is 2. And also we have to find out 4 to 2. How to find out 4 D1 4 to 2. D1 4 to 2. Now we can see here it is minimum of 4 to 2. 4 to 2 value is minus 1 comma, here it is 4 1. You know already I comma k. So I value is 4, k value is 1. So 4 comma 1. So 4 comma 1 value is infinity. So infinity plus something is infinity. So need not to calculate this part, but you can see here it is k comma j. So k value is 1 2. So k value is 1, j value is 2. So 1 2. D naught 1 2 value is infinity. So what is the minimum value? Minus 1. So you can note down 4 2 is minus 1, and we have to find out D1 4 to 3. 4 to 3, what is the minimum of 4 to 3 value is infinity. 4 to 3 value is infinity, and 4 comma 1, what is the 4 comma 1 value is infinity, plus here it is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3, that is minus 2. So this is also infinity. Infinity minus 2 it is. So minimum value is infinity only. So I have to note down 4 to 3 is infinity. So this is the D1. You can check once again. D1 0 infinity minus 2 infinity 4 0 2 infinity, and infinity infinity 0 to infinity minus 1 infinity 0. So this is the via D1 we have to find out distance from vertex 1 to all other vertices. Now have to note down. So here you can see D1 note down here 1 2 and 4. Here it is 1 2 3 and 4. Now what is the value in D1? That is 0 infinity minus 2 infinity, and 2 to 1 4 0 2 infinity 2 infinity, and already I am calculated, that's why here 3 1 is infinity, here it is infinity, here it is 0, here it is 2, and infinity minus 1 infinity 0. So this is the D1. Now we have to find out D2 via vertex 2. We have to find out distance via vertex 2. So directly can note down in this case second row and second column. You have to note down directly second row and second column. That is here it is 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 4 columns is there. How to note down here the second column, the second row is 4 0 2 infinity, and second column note down it infinity infinity minus 1. You know already 1 1 is 0 and 3 3 is 0, 4 4 is 0. Now we have to find out remaining values in this matrix via vertex 2. So here it is via vertex 2, how to find out D2. You know already formula, that is dk I comma j minimum of d k minus 1 I comma j d of k minus 1, here it is I comma k plus dk minus 1, that is k comma j. This is the formula. Now have to find out which value. Here it is 1 2 3, already. So directly can take the second row and second column. Now we have to find out 1 2 3. So d2 1 2 3, here it is. What is the minimum of? I am directly can write here dk minus 1, the k value is 2 here. So 2 minus 1, that is d1 of 1 3, d1 of 1 3. Now d1 of 1 3 value is minus 2. So can note down here minus 2 comma and d naught ik. So what is the value? I value is 1. So k value is 2. So that is 1 2. So here it is I value is 1, k value is 2, 1 2. So d1 1 2. So d1 1 2 value is infinity plus 2 comma 3. 1 2 infinity 2 comma 3, that is 2 3. 2 3 value is 2. So what is the minimum value? Minimum value is minus 2. So can note down here 1 2 3 is minus 2. Now we have to find out d2 1 comma 4. So minimum of d1 1 4, d1 1 4 value is infinity comma, here it is d naught 1 2. So I value is 1, k value is 2, 1 2, d1 1 2. So that is also infinity. So in time, for example, here also infinity something is infinity. So need not to find, don't waste time in exam. But here you can see, here it is k value is 2, 2 to 4, d of 2 to 4, 2 to 4 value is also infinity. Now it is infinity. So d2 I4, here it is I4 value is infinity. Now we have to find out 3 1, d2 3 1, that is equal to minimum of d1 of 3 1, d1 of 3 1 value is infinity comma 3 2. So 3 2 value is also infinity plus 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 value is, here it is k value is 2. So 2 comma 1 value is 4. So infinity plus 4, that is equal to infinity here. So d2 3 1 is infinity. Now we have to find out 3 to 4, d2 3 to 4 have to find out 3 to 4. Here it is minimum of so d1 3 4 value is 2 comma d1 of, directly I can write here d1 of 3 2, d1 of 3 2 value is infinity plus kj. So that is 2 4, d1 2 4 value also infinity. So here it is, what is the minimum value? 2 is the minimum. So 3 4, it is 2, you can note down here. Now we have to find out d2 of 4 1, that is equal to minimum of so what is the 4 1 value? Here it is d1 4 1, that is infinity, and 4 2 is minus 1, 4 2 is minus 1 plus, here it is 2 1 value is 4. So what is the minimum value here? It is 3. So 4 1 value is 3. Now we have to find out 4 3, d2 of 4 3, 4 3, that is equal to minimum of D1 4 3. D1 4 3 value is infinity. So can note down here, comma 4 2. So D1 4 2 value is minus 1 plus 2 3. So 2 3. 2 3 value is 2. So it is 1. So D2 4 3 is 1. You can check 0 infinity minus 2 infinity and 4 0 2 infinity 3 infinity infinity 0 2 and 3 minus 1 1 0. So this is the D2. Via D2 I have to find out all other vertices. Now we can note down here. Here it is D2. Already are calculated 1 2 3 4. 4 columns, vertex 1 2 3 4. Like we have to note down D2, that is 0 infinity minus 2 infinity, 0 infinity minus 2 infinity, and second row is 4 0 2 infinity, 4 0 2 infinity, and the third row is infinity infinity 0 to infinity infinity 0 to, and fourth row is 3 minus 1 1, and here the 4 4 is 0. You know already in previous, here you can see in D2 can consider the second row and the second column here. Now you can consider the third row and third column. Now this is D2, third row directly can note down third row and third column. So in D3, via D3 you have to find out vertex 3. Via vertex 3 we have to find out the distance between that vertex to all other vertices. So directly can note down third column and third row. 1 2 3 4. Now here it is minus 2, here it is 2, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 0. Now we have to note down here infinity infinity, here it is 2, but 4 4 is 0, 2 2 is 0, 1 1 is 0, you know already. Now how to find out 1 2 2 and 1 2 4. Like that here also you can find out. Here it is D3 of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Directly can calculated here the minimum of, you know already the formula, minimum of dk minus 1, that is D2. So D2 value, D2 of 1 2, D2 of 1 2 value is infinity. So infinity comma and 1 3, you know all the k value is 3. So 1 3. So 1 3 value is minus 2 and 3 2, 3 2 of it is infinity. So here it is infinity. So 1 2 value is infinity here. Next you have to find out D3 of 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4, that is equal to minimum of 1 comma 4 here, that is infinity, and 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 value is minus 2 plus 3 comma 4, 3 comma 4, that is 2. So here it is 0. So 0 is the minimum. Infinity 0, 0 is the minimum. So you can note down D3 of 1 4 value is 0 and 2 1. D3 of 2 comma 1. Now you can calculate 2 comma 1. So minimum of directly can see D2 2 1, D2 2 1, the value is 4. Here it is 4 and 2 3, 2 3 value is 2 plus 3 1, 3 1 value is infinity. So which is the minimum here? 4 is the minimum. So 4. So 2 1 value is 4. Note down here. Next 2 2 4. You can calculate it D3 2 2 4. 2 2 4 minimum of D2 2 4. D2 2 4 value is infinity, comma here it is 2 3. 2 3 value is 2 plus 3 4. 3 4 value is 2, which is 4. So D3 2 4, D3 2 4 value is 4. Note down here. Now you can check the 4 1. D3 of 4 comma 1, that is equal to minimum of dk minus 1 ij. So that is d2 4 1. D2 4 1 value is 3, comma here it is 4 3. D2 4 3. 4 3 value is 1 plus D3, here it is kj. So k is 3, j value is 1. So D2 3 1. D2 3 1 value is infinity. So here it is, the minimum value is 3. So can note down here. Next you have to find out D3 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. That is equal to minimum of here D2 4 2. 4 2 is minus 1 and 4 3. So 4 3 value is 1 plus 3 2. 3 2 value is infinity. So that is equal to minus 1 is the minimum. So you can note down here 4 2 value is minus 1. First you can verify once again. Here D3 value is 0 infinity minus 2 infinity 4 0 2 4 infinity 0 2 and 3 minus 1 1 0. So we have to note down the same thing. D3 value here, D3 matrix, note down here 1 2 3 and 4. This is the last matrix, because in that graph having 4 vertices. So here it is D3 0 infinity minus 2 0 and 4 0 4 0 and 2 4 and 3 infinity third row 0 2 and 3 minus 1 1 and 0. So this is the third matrix. Via D3 vertex we have to find out the distance. Now in previous step, here you can consider third row and third column directly can note down in D3. The same here it is in D3 how to take the fourth column and fourth row directly can note down in D4. Via D4 can via vertex 4 we have to calculate the distance. Here it is, can note down 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So directly can take the fourth row, the 3 minus 1 1 0 and here you can see 0 4 2. You know already 1 1 is 0 and 2 2 is 0 and 3 3 is 0. Now we have to calculate it 1 2 2 in D4 D4 1 2 to calculate the distance. Minimum of 1 to 2. So that is dk minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. D3 of 1 2. D3 of 1 2 value is infinity, comma D3 of 1k ik. So that is 1 4. 1 4 value is 0 plus 4 2, that is kj. D3 4 2. D3 4 2, that is minus 1. Here it is minus 1 is the minimum, so you can note down here it is minus 1. Next 1 2 3, you can calculate it 1 2 3. Now minimum of d of 1 3, here 1 3 value is minus 2 plus here it is, you can see d3 1 4, d3 1 4 value is 0 plus 4 3 value is 1. So which is the minimum? Minus 2 is the minimum, so you can note down the minus 2 here. Next you can find out the 2 1, d4 2 1, that is equal to minimum of 2 1 value is 4 comma and 2 comma 4 value is 4 plus here it is 4 comma 1 value is 4 comma 1 value is 3. So which is the minimum? 4 is the minimum, so note down the 4 here. Next you can calculate it 2 2 3 4 2 2 3, minimum of 2 2 3 value is 2 here. Next 2 4 value is 4 plus kj, that is 4 3 that is 1, which is the minimum? 2 is the minimum, so you can note down here 2 3, that value is 2. Now here the d4 of here 3 comma 1, so that is the minimum of 3 comma 1 value is infinity, comma d3 3 4, that is ik 3 4 value is 2 plus 4 1 value is 3, 4 1 value is 3. So here it is 3 4 value is 2 and 4 1 value is 3, so it is 5. So 3 1 value is 5 and d4 3 2 value can find out 3 2, minimum of 3 2 is infinity, comma and 3 4 value is 2 plus 4 2 that is minus 1, so that value is minimum value is 1, so 3 2 the value is 1. Now we can check in d4 what is the value? Here it is 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 4 0 2 4 5 1 0 2 and 3 minus 1 1 0. Now we can see what is the meaning of this d4. Now we can see this is the original matrix, so this is the original matrix, this is also original matrix. Now I am note down the fourth via 4, here it is, you can see 1 2 3 4, what is the distance via vertex 4, so 1 1 value is 0 minus 1 minus 2, here it is 0 4 0 4 0 and 2 4 5 1 0 2 5 1 0 2 and fourth it is 3 minus 1 1 0. So you can see what is the meaning of this. Here it is 1 1 is 0, okay, 1 2 is minus 1 1 2, so there is no direct link, but 1 2 is minus 1. So how can get? Here it is 1 2 3 is minus 2 plus 2 0 and here it is 4 2 2 minus 1, that's why it is minus 1 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 is minus 2. 1 to 4. 1 to 4 value is 1 to 2, 1 to 3 minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. 1 to 4 value is 0. Now like that, here 2 1, 2 1 is 4 and 2 2 is 0. 2 to 3, 2 to 3 value is, here it is 2 to 3 direct value is 3, but here 2 to 1 4 and 1 to 3, so 4 minus 2, that is 2. So that's why 2 to 3 is 2. So like that, 2 to 4, 2 to vertex 4, so there is no direct link, but here you can see 2 to 4 value is 4. So how it is 4? Here it is 2 to 1 4 and minus 2 here 2, so that is 0. So 2 to 1, 1 to 3 and 3 to 4, the value is 4. Like here it is vertex 3 to 1, vertex 3 to 1, the distance here there is no direct link, but 3 to 1 it is a 5. So how it is 5? That is 3 to 4 2, 4 to 2 minus 1, that is 1. So here it is 2 to 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5. So like here 3 to 2, 3 to 2 value is, 3 to 2 value is 1. So that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, and 3 3 is 0, and 3 to 4, 3 to 4 value is 2. Like here the 4 to 1, 4 to 1 value is, there is no direct link, but it is 4 to 2 and 2 to 1, that is 3. 4 minus 1, that is 3 here, and 4 to 2, 4 to 2 value is, here it is 4 to 2 value is minus 1. So you can see here the 4 to 2 value is minus 1, here it is 3, and 3 minus 2, that is 1, but you can see here it is 4 to 2, 4 to 2 value is minus 1 directly here, you can see 4 to 2, and 4 to 3, that is 1, 4 to 3, that is 1. So how can get the 1? Here it is minus 1, here it is 4, that is 3, 3 minus 2, that is 1. So that is the 4 to 3 value is 1. So 4 to 4 is 0. So that is the distance between all pair shortest path. How to find out one vertex to all other vertices, and via vertex 2 also you have to find out. So this is the all pair shortest path Floyd Warshall algorithm by using dynamic programming approach. Thank you for watching this video.